National Electrical Code Section 400.11 addresses flexible cord length. Generally, flexible cords cannot exceed 6 feet in length. However, this limitation does not apply to appliances arranged so that cords cannot extend into the working space during normal use and have suitable strain relief connectors. For uninterruptible power supply applications, NEC Section 400.11 subsection C paragraph 3 allows flexible cords longer than 6 feet if the UPS is fixed in place and the cord is not intended to be removed. The cord must be approved for its intended use and protected from physical damage, and it must be installed following the manufacturer's instructions. UL Standard 1449, which covers surge protective devices including UPS systems, also permits longer cords for UPS applications, provided specific conditions are met. These conditions include requirements for the cord's conductor type, insulation rating, sizing, and termination. Firstly, the cord must use a solid conductor, not stranded. Secondly, the cord must have an insulation rating appropriate for the voltage and current requirements. Thirdly, the cord must be adequately sized for the load. Fourthly, the cord must be properly terminated at both ends using suitable connectors. Fifthly, the cord must be installed following the manufacturer's instructions. When working with UPS power cords, several general recommendations should be followed. Firstly, use solid conductor power cords that are UL listed for UPS applications. Secondly, select a cord length appropriate for the specific installation, ensuring it complies with the manufacturer's requirements. Thirdly, avoid coiling excess cord, as it can pose a tripping hazard. Fourthly, use a strain relief device at both ends of the cord to prevent accidental disconnection. Fifthly, regularly inspect the cord for any signs of damage or wear. The NEC and UL standards prioritize safety in electrical installations. The allowance for longer cords in UPS applications acknowledges the practical needs of these systems while maintaining safety standards. Solid conductor cords are preferred in these applications due to their greater durability and resistance to damage compared to stranded cords. Ensuring the cord's insulation is rated for the voltage and current requirements is crucial for preventing electrical hazards such as short circuits and fires. Adequately sizing the cord for the load it will carry is essential to avoid overheating and potential damage to the UPS or connected equipment. Proper termination of the cord with suitable connectors ensures a secure and reliable connection, minimizing the risk of loose connections or arcing. Following the manufacturer's instructions during installation is vital to ensure the UPS and its power cord are installed correctly and operate safely. Excess cord length should be avoided to reduce the risk of tripping hazards and to maintain a neat and organized installation. Strain relief devices prevent stress on the cord's connections, prolonging its lifespan and preventing accidental disconnections. Regular inspection of the cord is important for identifying any signs of damage or wear, allowing for timely replacement and preventing potential hazards. The NEC and UL standards provide a framework for safe electrical installations, while the specific requirements for UPS power cords address the unique characteristics of these systems. By adhering to these standards and following general recommendations, electrical professionals can ensure safe and reliable UPS installations. Always consult the latest editions of the NEC and UL standards for the most up-to-date requirements and guidelines. It is also important to be aware of any local electrical codes or regulations that may apply in addition to the national standards. These local codes may have specific requirements or restrictions related to UPS installations or power cord lengths. When selecting a power cord for a UPS, consider the following factors. Firstly, the length of the cord should be sufficient to reach the power outlet without placing undue stress on the cord or its connections. Secondly, the cord's conductor size should be appropriate for the load it will carry, taking into account the voltage and current requirements of the UPS. Thirdly, the cord's insulation rating should be suitable for the environmental conditions in which it will be installed, such as temperature and humidity. Fourthly, the cord's connectors should be compatible with the UPS and the power outlet, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. Fifthly, the cord should be UL listed for UPS applications, providing assurance that it meets the safety standards. In addition to these factors, it is also important to consider the cord's flexibility and durability. A more flexible cord will be easier to route and install, while a more durable cord will be better able to withstand physical damage and wear. When installing a UPS power cord, follow these steps. Firstly, disconnect the UPS from the power outlet before starting the installation. Secondly, inspect the cord for any signs of damage or wear. Thirdly, route the cord from the UPS to the power outlet, avoiding any sharp bends or kinks. Fourthly, connect the cord to the UPS and the power outlet, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. Fifthly, use a strain relief device at both ends of the cord to prevent accidental disconnection. Sixthly, reconnect the UPS to the power outlet and verify that it is functioning properly. Following these steps will help ensure a safe and reliable UPS installation. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about UPS installations or power cord lengths. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take precautions to protect yourself and others. When working with electricity, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. Be sure to turn off the power before working on any electrical circuits or equipment. And if you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. The information provided in this video is intended for general informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician or other professional before making any decisions about electrical installations or equipment. By following the recommendations and guidelines provided in this video, you can help ensure safe and reliable UPS installations. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when working with electricity.